Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So I was waiting to unbox this car for past 2 weeks if I'm not wrong, from the day I posted the hunt video. I was really excited to unbox this particular one. So this is a Jaguar E-Type and this is by Majorette from their vintage series. This looks so beautiful, so I actually bought it. The rims and everything looks different in this one. So I bought this for MRP, which is 349. So let's just open it. I want to see how this one looks. It does have a card as well, collector's card. That is really nice. Okay, I really like what Majorette does because when it comes to Hot Wheels, they usually do card art, right? So not many people actually saves that particular card, and I used to throw that away during 2023 and all. After that, I started collecting it, but it occupies a lot of space. But for this one, I literally put an album because it actually has all the details about the car as well. Let me just take this out first. Okay, so you can see, right, it does have all the detailing, car's specification to it, which is really nice. And I mean, I don't see any other brand actually does this. Maybe Seiko does that, but they do it on the chassis of the car. That is also really nice. But this one I actually put an album. I will show it to sometime, guys. Maybe you can also do the same. I really love going through that album and whatever I unbox so far. Okay, so out of the box, my god, this casting looks absolutely gorgeous. So I'm really a sucker for this particular green paint job. Along with it's a glittery green, not too glittery, but a little bit. But I was okay. I don't think it has a top here because this one is down now. Okay, but it's a very light casting, but it's a lengthy casting, and it has acrylic headlights, and it has the Jaguar logo here. The bumpers are actually plastic, both front and back. You can see the logo here. Wow, that is really beautiful. And you can see the tail light detail as well. Honestly, guys, right now at this point itself, I can say if you are able to get this casting, just go ahead and get it. Don't miss this one out. Surely you will feel later. The rims look so beautiful. I mean, I know they use this rims for the vintage cars on some of the cars. Even I do have a Citroen, I guess, so it does have this particular set of rims. But this one actually suits this particular casting. I mean, the interior looks really nice. You can see. And okay, so the body is fully metal and the chassis is plastic. So I'm really happy that I bought this. Let's do a suspension test. It does have suspension. It is very lightweight. If it feels like a small paper, paper box. Let's weigh this casting. Let's see. See, 23 grams only. I told you, right? So it weighs very less. Let's see how this actually rolls on the track. Okay, maybe not good, but it rolls okay. I mean, personally, I'm not going to play with these cars. More specifically, this kind of car, which I really love the most. So the rear wheel wobbles a lot, but so apart from the rolling point, if you really incline towards that, I don't know. Maybe the one which you are going to buy might roll a bit better, but mine doesn't roll really that well. But personally, for me, that doesn't matter. My what matters to me is the detailing and I mean the scale of the car, the scale accuracy, the detailing accuracy. These kind of things I look for in my collection. So this nails everything, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.